Focus on earnings. Welcome on board Sanjeev Chadha, the MD and CEO at Bank of Baroda, joining in. Sanjeev, hi, good morning. Just going through your numbers, Q4 has seen a big improvement in terms of your operating profit, and that's been much higher than the NII growth as well. What explains this?
So the operating profit growth which was there was also in the context of the fact that there were some one-off costs which were there in the corresponding quarter last year. But we do believe that going forward, we should be looking at growth which would be largely be driven by the growth in the loan book and also some improvement in the net interest margins. So it would not be as aggressive as we have seen, but we do expect improvement in operating growth going forward. We are projecting about a 7% growth in the loan book in the current year, and that is something which will be driving operating profit growth also.
Sanjeev, how has credit demand been in the first 3 months of this year, and what's the outlook?
So the fact is that the credit demand in the first quarter has been driven by two factors. One is that there are companies which are looking to build their liquidity buffers. So we had our emergency credit line, which was given to our corporate as well as MSME borrowers. Now we find that there are corporates who actually are not even utilizing their working capital limits, but they're still opting to use the emergency credit line simply because they want to make sure that they have enough liquidity buffers. So that's number one. Number two, there has been extension of the working capital cycles, which means that to that extent also there should be credit demand. But going ahead, as the lockdown is lifted and as activity levels return, we may find some credit demand also generated by enhanced activity levels, but that's going ahead. On our part, we are looking at growing our book by about 7% this year.
Right. Let's broadly understand how things are moving, at least on the NPA front. What are your thoughts there?
So our capital position is reasonably comfortable with a capital adequacy ratio of about 13.3%, and given the fact that we are looking at a loan growth of about 7%, I think we should be fine. Having said that, we had at the beginning of the year taken approval from the board to raise 13,500 crores, and that included about 4,500 crores as AT1 and the balance as pure equity. We believe we should be in the market for AT1, possibly in the July to September quarter, just to make sure that we further strengthen our capital buffers. As far as pure equity is concerned, that really is a function of how markets work. But I do not anticipate accessing markets for equity in the first half of the year.
Okay, Sanjeev, great to have you on the show. We'll let you go on that note. Thanks as always for joining in. Just a word on the parabolic movement that the market has seen.